In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iCloud Mail not receiving emails. If new messages aren't showing up, it usually comes down to one of a few things. Apple's servers might be having issues, your iCloud storage could be full, a setting in Mail is off, a sender is blocked, there's a sync hiccup, or a rule is quietly moving mail somewhere you're not looking. Let's walk through the fixes in a clear order, from quickest to most thorough. Start by checking Apple's system status page. Find iCloud Mail on the list. If it's green, services are normal. If you see yellow or red, it's an outage or maintenance. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later, because the problem isn't on your device. Next, confirm you have iCloud storage available. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then iCloud to see available space. If you're full or nearly full, new mail can stop arriving. Free up space by removing large attachments, old device backups, or files you no longer need, then give Mail a moment to sync. Open the Mail app and look carefully in Junk, Trash, and All Mail. Use the search bar to look for the sender's email address. If you find messages in the wrong place, move them back to your inbox and mark them as not junk. If you use iCloud Mail on the web, also review any forwarding or filter rules that might be redirecting messages without you realizing it. Make sure iCloud Mail is actually enabled on your device. Go to Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts, select your iCloud account, and confirm that Mail is turned on. If it was off, turn it on and wait a minute for messages to sync. While you're there, refresh the Mail app. Open Mail and pull down from the top of the inbox until you see the refresh spinner. This forces a new sync and often pulls in pending messages. Check your blocked list. In Settings, go to Mail, then Blocked. If the sender appears, remove them so their messages stop going straight to trash. If things still seem stuck, restart your device. A quick reboot can clear stalled sync processes and network glitches. If syncing still fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. In Settings, tap your Apple ID, choose Sign Out, Restart, then sign back in. This re-authenticates iCloud and often fixes stubborn mail sync issues. Finally, update your device. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. After each fix, send yourself a test email and watch for it to arrive. If problems persist, reach out to Apple support for deeper diagnostics.